fun, easy kitchen appliance that creates a treat that looks, tastes, and feels like soft serve ice cream using only frozen fruit. Quiet, powerful, sleek new design. Great for parties, entertaining, or just making delicious healthy treats for your family every day. Peel overripe bananas and freeze with your favorite frozen fruits. One button turns the machine on. Simply feed your favorite frozen fruit through the chute and create a delicious bowl of Yonanas in seconds. Strawberry, orange, mango, melon, chocolate chip. Enjoy a healthy ice cream-like treat you love. Yonanas recipes are endless. Pies, popsicles, bonbons, tiramisu, 100% fruit, or chocolate. You're only limited by your imagination. Entertaining is fast, fun, and easy with Yonanas. Your delicious and healthy dessert ideas can be family-friendly or simply elegant for a dinner party. And cleanup is fast and easy too because Yonanas is dishwasher safe. If you're allergic to dairy, careful about the types of sugar you consume, need to eat more fruits and veggies, or you just have a sweet tooth, now you can indulge in desserts with 100% fruit and not feel guilty.